Okay, for the exponential table graph paper, you're going to take all these x values here and you'll put them in one at a time, and for the x value on the exponent there. So when you take -1, you're going to put there, and you're going to calculate 3 to the -1 power. Well, 3 to the -1 power is 1/3, so you can put 1/3 there. Then you're going to put in 0, and then 1, and then 2. So let's calculate these out real quick. 3 to the 0 power is 1. 3 to the first power is 3, and 3 to the second power is 9. Okay, so that's what you're going to put here on your right column, and then you're going to graph it. I noticed that these values here are going up to 9, and so I want to have a little bit of like upward room. And I'm gonna put my axes here, just because I know I'm going right. I only have a -1 there for the x, which I'm gonna put over here. I'm going to count every other one, just so I can have a little bit more room. And actually, that's more than I need. So you're just going to do -1, 1/3. So this here, that's a point. It's the point, -1, 1/3. Whoops. And so you're going to go to -1, and then up to 1/3, which is a little bit less than 1. So I went a little high there. And so, man, this is hard to get 1/3. Okay, so you're going to start there, and then my next point is 0, 1, so go to 0, 1, put a point there, and then you go to 1, 3, so you go right 1, up 3, and you got another point there, and then you got 2, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So that's going to be my next point, and after you see how your curve's going to go, you're going to draw it like so, and now you've graphed it and filled in the table. Time for 2, you take each of these, plug it in for x. Make sure you simplify this top part before you do 2 to that power. So do 2 to the -1 plus 2 power. Well, -1 plus 2 is 1, so you got 2 to the first power, which is 2. And then you'll plug in 0, so 2 to the 0 plus 2 power, which is 2 squared, which is 4. So you can put that there. And then you got 2 to the 1 plus 2 power, which is 2 to the third, which is 8. 2 times 2 times 2. And then if you keep following the power, you got 2 to the 16th power. If you really want to see it right now, I'll put it here. To get 2 to the 4th, which is 16. Okay, so now we got our points. We got the point -1, 2, 0, 4, 1, 8, and 2, 16. So let's have this graph go the same sort of way, like so. I'm gonna have my x-axis down here quite a ways, just because I need a lot of room. I need to get up to 16 about, if I can. And I'm gonna skip every 3 to count this out, because I got quite a bit of room on my x-axis here to put these points down. Okay, so I got the point -1, 2, so I got -1, 2, and then I got the point 0, 4, put that down, and then I got the point 1, 8. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I got the point 2, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I need to go up a little bit more because my graph wasn't quite tall enough, but it goes like so. Sorry. And then the graph keeps going down. It has that nice curved shape there. It kind of looks like an L. And we'll move on to 3. Again, each value goes in for x, and then you calculate from there. So here, you're going to have 4 to the -1 power, and then you'll subtract 2. Well, 4 to the -1 is 1/4, and then you have to subtract 2, which is -1 and 3/4. Okay, and then you take your next one, put it in for the x value there. So 4 to the 0 power minus 2, 4 to the 0 is 1 minus 2, gives you -1. Put in 1, so 4 to the first power is 4 minus 2, you got 2. And then you put in 2 there. 4 squared is 16 minus 2. You're looking at 14 there. Okay. Again, put your graph down. I'm going to kind of put my x-axis in the same spot and have my my x's count the same. So every 3, I'm pointing down a tick mark. -1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm plotting the points. That's the point -1, -1, 3/4. Oh, and I totally messed up on my x-axis here. Because I don't want it to be that low. I need it to be a little bit higher. Because I need to get down to -3/4. -1 3/4. Okay? But my tick marks is going to be the same place. So -1, -1 3/4 is about there. Almost -2. And then I got 0, -1. And then I got 0.12, 2, and then the 0.2, 14. And I count up 14 from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's actually right there. Okay, so now I got my points. I can draw my graph. So it goes really steep really quickly there, but levels off that way. And that'll be the first video.